And yes, indeed, it was the 15th of April that distinguished whether or not you are on the July 15th reward allocation. So with that, we have heard where the company operates from. We have heard about the management. We have heard about the product lines, and we have heard about how the company is making money. Now, this part is one of my favorite parts. That is how you and I can also make money through the compensation plan. Crowd1 have chosen to use a binary system. Binary basically means two. That means when you join and you buy yourself an education package, your main job is to build two sales teams, one right team and one left team. In order to qualify for these bonuses, you need to activate both teams by introducing one person in each team that buys an education package. Each of the packages are assigned with a BV value that I explained during the package introduction, and these points are used to calculate the first bonus, which is the education package sales bonus. I prefer to use the short word of binary bonus, and as you see in the blue boxes, each of the packages have a potential range of payout, and that is because your two teams will not always behave identically. One team will grow faster than the other, and in order to explain that, we can show some examples. In these examples, we have been using the white packages with 90 BV throughout. So in this scenario, it is you qualifying yourself. You have one person on your right team, one on your left team. And in any traditional binary plan, it normally only pays out 10% out of one team's volume, although you have to match it with the volume from both sides. So that would be €9 in this scenario. But in Crowd1, they've added a 1+1 system that not only takes the points from both sides, but they're also adding them together and pay out based on the total. So in that case, it would be 90 plus 90 equals 180 points. Your commission 10% is €18. This is also paid instantly, and it's paid directly to your smartphone. This will repeat itself every time you pair and balance off one right, one left, €18, one right, one left, €18. This, the way we see it now, is two teams performing identically. So you have a perfect balanced sales organization. In most cases, this would not be the scenario. So let's see what happens if it's a bit of an unbalance. Here, your right team have two sales, two people that have bought education packages, and your left team only one. Still, in a traditional binary plan, this will only pay €9. But in Crowd1, through the 1+2 system, it catches all three sales by adding them together. 3 times 90 is 270. Now they're paying out 10% commission, which is €27. That means it pays 3 times better than most traditional binary plans out there on the market. They didn't even stop there. They added a 1+3 system, and this really blew my mind when I started to study this plan back in November last year. In this scenario, 3 sales in your right team, 1 in your left. Still, in most binary plans that exist, this will only pay you €9, but it will leave points in your right team, and then you will have to perform more sales in your left team in order to cash those out. Crowd1 pays you for the job you have done. They add all 4 sales together. 4 times 90 is 360. Now it pays out 10%, €36. That's 4 times more than a traditional binary plan. This binary bonus is also the foundation for the next bonus, which is the matching bonus. I also like to refer to this one as the duplication bonus, because this is where the company rewards you for helping the people you introduce. When you personally introduce 4 people and you help them to earn binary bonus, the company will reward you with a 10% matching bonus based on whatever binary bonus they earn. That goes for everyone that you personally introduce, regardless how many, with a minimum of 4. Of course, for these people to start earning, they will also need to qualify themselves. They need to introduce people. Those people will now be your matching level number 2. And you can achieve the same 10% matching bonus from their binary bonus by personally introducing a minimum of 8 people and secure that you have a minimum a black package. You can remain on a black package, but increase your personally introduced to 12, and now you will also have matching bonus on your level 3. If you want to go to level 4, you need to upgrade yourself to minimum a gold package, and you need to personally introduce 16 people. The plan goes all the way down to level 5, and as in most of the bonuses available, titanium opens all doors, and you need to personally introduce 20 people. And these 20 or whatever number you have of personally introduced, they can be of any package. There are no requirement there, but the requirement is on you. You need to personally be on a titanium package. The 20 can be white, black, gold, or titanium. Take advantage of the ongoing promo if you are aiming for a titanium. If you are new looking in now, considering which package to buy, you only need to go for a 799 euro gold package, and the company will upgrade you to gold for free. If you have a black package, you can pay the 500 euro for an upgrade to gold, and the company will give you an added upgrade, and you will become titanium, and you don't have to worry about that part of the system. This bonus, the long-term residual income, this is from the pie chart that Eric already showed you. With the 40-40-20, how the loyalty program, how the revenues are distributed throughout the system. 40% goes into a quarterly pool that is based on how many Crowd1 rewards you have. 20% stays with the company for operational costs, further expansion, more offices, more staff, incentives, events, etc. And then the remaining 40% goes into this monthly distributed reward part of the program. This is called the long-term residual income. This is the one where we looked at the timeline that had the first allocation now on May 15th, the next one coming up on June 15th, then July 15th, and so forth. And we mentioned that you had to qualify into any rank within the company. And the colorful midsection here represents those 21 available ranks. Starting at the bottom with the team leader 1-star, and in order to qualify for that one, you will have to have an education package. You need to personally introduce one in each team, and you need to accumulate a minimum of 500 BV. And if you recall, for example, the black packages, they have 270 BV. So if the 2 people that you introduce first buy the black package, you already qualify for level 1. That means you are now in pool 1 and your title is team leader 1-star. If that is your current rank by the end of May, then you will be entitled to share pool 1 with everyone else in that pool when we come to the 15th of June reward allocation. Have in mind that the company now have about 5.5 million members, so there is a lot of people on level 1. So there won't be a significant, I will call it more of a dust distribution, but you will see that the system works. If you have higher goals, you want to achieve more, you build your team, you duplicate what you're doing, you help your people to achieve the various bonuses, and you will quickly race up through the ranks. The first 3, 4, 5 ranks are fairly easy to achieve, but if you aim higher, let's say you like to travel and want to go on one of the travel incentives offered by the company, the current qualification level is level 10, which is a direct 1-star. And that means if that is your current rank by the end of May, you will then not only share pool 10 with everyone else there, and by the way, that is a lot fewer people in pool 10 than there is in pool number 1. So now we are starting to talk about significant reward distributions. But you will also keep your spot in the pools below. So you will also take part of the lower dust to the medium so-so allocations to the more significant allocations the higher you climb in this system. And the next bonus is the only time-sensitive bonus in the company. This is the fear of loss bonus, or fast start bonus, as some people refer to it, because that is what you have to be. You have to be fast. This is a one-time bonus, and it is time-sensitive. You have exactly 14 days from the second you join, and in order to achieve this bonus, you have to personally introduce 4 people. If those 4 people buys a titanium education package, you will get the full fear of loss bonus of 3,000 euro. If they should choose the gold level, you will get 1,000, black 375, or white 125. If they should choose a range of variety of packages, then it will be based on the lowest package. Unless, of course, you have introduced way more than 4, as there is no upper limit to how many you can introduce, and you have 4 of any of the higher levels, then you will of course be paid on the highest possible level. Also important to note that during the free upgrade promotion, it is the package that they are paying for that counts and not the package that they receive. So for instance, if you introduce 4 people that joins with the white package and pays 99 euro, your fear of loss bonus will be 125 euro, even though those 4 will be upgraded to a black package. The last bonus that we will cover is the streamline bonus, and this is another unique component to the Crowd1 compensation plan. This is no longer a binary plan. There is no right team, no left team, no balance requirement, and no timelines. This is one single global line. So that means from the second that you join, everyone on this planet that joins Crowd1 will come in below you in this bonus. And this bonus holds 20 levels. In order for you to qualify for level 1, you actually don't have to introduce anyone. You only need to have yourself an education package and wait till 250 people have joined the company on a global basis. Then you are qualified for level 1, and the company will reward you with €2.5 worth of Crowd1 rewards on a weekly basis. This happens every Wednesday, and a button will appear in your back office that states claim your Crowd1 rewards, and you will have 7 days to claim them. You need to physically log in and click to claim. If you don't do it within 7 days, those rewards are forfeited, and you can again come and claim next week's rewards. As you grow in the business and upgrade your package, you introduce more people, and more people is joining after you. You can quickly raise up in the streamline bonus as well. If you are on a white package, you can get up to 4 levels of streamline bonus. If you're black, up to 8, gold up to 12, and titanium up to 20. At level 20, if you should reach that level, the weekly reward is 2,250 euro. That means 117,000 euro per year in Crowd1 rewards. And as mentioned earlier in the presentation, the Crowd1 rewards defines your piece of the pie when the quarterly rewards are being distributed. And a side note to that, if you have a Titanium Pro package, you will get 8% extra of this bonus. So you can do the math yourself. If you should reach level 20, 117,000 euro per year in Crowd1 rewards, plus another 8%. That's around 15, 16, 17,000 extra. So that was the compensation plan. I hope you liked that one. 5 different income streams.